The hospital experience was so terrible. Why there is becoming a need to go to hospital? Every pregnant woman is getting a C-section surgery. Hello from a beautiful place and from a beautiful girl to all the beautiful people out there. The background is so beautiful. First of all, as you can see from the background, we are in the park and we are today going to talk about fitness. All of my videos has a backstory. Today's video is also having a backstory and there is a fear behind it that I am going to share further in the video. So if you want to hear that, just stay tuned in the video. I am tackling my fears and finding a permanent solution of my fears, like the previous video that was of swimming. I'll attach a link here in the I button. Let's dive into the video. There is a backstory behind making this video, and the backstory is I went to my hometown in the past week and my father got operated for umbilical hernia. So it was not an emergency, although it was a well planned operation. My father was having hernia and he is also having varicose veins. He is suffering with obesity, and these are the things that my father is suffering with just because he is not taking care of his health. The hospital experience was so terrible. I was so traumatized by seeing the crowd that has been in the hospital. Any age group do not prevail in the hospital, be it a child, be it an adult, be it a teenager, be it a old age person. You can see each and every age group in the hospital. Childs are also getting operated, adults are also getting operated, teenagers are also getting operated, and old age persons are also getting operated. So operation has become such a common thing. When my father was taken to OT, I'll attach a video here of him entering the OT. By the way, I was feeling anxious at the time when my father was taken to the OT. I saw a girl coming out of my age after getting operated. So these are the things that made me to think ki why this situation has arrived, why there is becoming a need to go to hospital. I know there is not a single reason behind that. We cannot blame our lifestyle only. I feel so sorry for those small children who are getting operated or who are admitted in the hospital. I don't think there is any fault of their own behind them getting operated or them in the hospital. What I think is there is not a single reason that we can blame ki due to lifestyle or due to unhealthy eating or due to this situation has arrived. There are a bunch of reasons that contribute to this situation. I don't think that this damage can be reversed completely because the environment has become like this. Our lifestyle has become like this. And one thing that I have noticed is every pregnant woman is getting a C-section surgery right now. 99% cases, women are giving birth to baby through C-section. Normal delivery has become so uncommon. Newborn baby is always kept in machines. What we have to do now? Every problem comes with a solution, and there is a solution to this problem too. We can take small steps to slowly eradicate this problem. What we have to do? We have to take very small steps and implement them in our daily life at our individual level to see a wholesome result in the long run. I have been traveling to Delhi very frequently nowadays, and what I used to do 99% of the time is taking escalators in place of steps. So this is a very minor change that I can inculcate in myself to step towards healthier life. So I have promised myself to always take staircases in place of escalator whenever I am going somewhere or traveling somewhere. The second most effective thing that I am using right now is eating ghar ka khana. Ghar ka khana is very effective in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Just avoid bahar ka junk, avoid the food that you are eating from outside because it is not cooked properly in hygienic conditions. So preparing your own meal is a must. The pro tip from my side is whenever you are eating junk food, like in 15 days or in 1 month, just drink lot of water on that day. It will balance out the things and the junk food will not harm your body that much. So you can eat junk food in 15 days or in 1 month just to maintain that taste in your tongue. The other step that I am going to take from now onwards is I have promised myself to take 10,000 steps daily. Anyhow, exercise is something that we have to inculcate in our life to remain healthy. It is mandatory. Exercise should not be something that we will feel happy after doing it one day. It should be something that we will feel guilty for not doing a single day. Other thing that we can do is drinking a lot of water. Water is a magical tonic for your body. So drink as much water as you can, guys. Even if you miss out something from the piche wali list, you can do is to drink a lot of water, so you will have a little bit guilt. Ultimately, the conclusion of the whole video is your life is so precious. You have to take care of your life. You have to take care of yourself physically, emotionally, mentally, in every way you can, because life is literally very important for you. And you are not a Jumanji character that you must be having 3 lives, and if you lost 1 or 2 then you will still have 1 for you. It's very important to take care of yourself. These are the bare minimum things that you can do to remain healthy. Just do exercise, drink a lot of water, walk every day, take staircases, and all the things that I have told in the video earlier. That's all for the video. If you find this really interesting, then stay tuned, and bye bye. अबे भागना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, ऐसे ठीक है, ठीक है. It's very basic. No, it's not very basic. You can eat so much water. You are not a Jumanji. You are not a Jumanji.